people are now understanding about who you are. Now, I feel like you have a lot of people that are scared of you. There's a lot of people that are in fear of what you're going to do next, what you know about them. And I feel as if in the past or in the recent present, many people felt like you were an underdog. Many people felt like you were not to be bothered with. But there are some people that are very fearful of you. They're very fearful of your next move. What you know, how powerful you really are, how intelligent you really are, how strong you really are. And this could be in regards to work. This could be in regards to, status. There's something about status here, with the Ace of Pentacles. Every time I get the Ace of Pentacles, I always think of Capricorn. And Capricorn rules the 10th house. 10th house talks about, status, reputation, higher ups. And some people are seeing that you are going to achieve, or they feel that you are going to achieve. This is a fear, right? And they may feel like you're going to achieve something that they never ever thought you would gain. This could be numerous things. This could be a title, yeah. Some of you could end up getting married. This could be getting a degree, getting the masters, getting the keys to your house, your business becoming successful, getting a pay rise, being recognized for your hard work at work, because your energy is not to play with. And I feel like in the past, people may have felt that they could play in your energy, may have downplayed you, or may have felt like you were on the same level as them in some way or the other, or may have never have felt like you will ever achieve what they're fearful of you achieving. Now their fears are becoming a reality. Now these individuals are seeing that you are actually the truth. They wanted to keep you hidden, or they thought that you would be hidden. They thought that whoever these people are now realizing that their mind, their own mind has now played tricks on them. They're wondering why they didn't see all along, whatever this thing is, why they didn't see that, you had the credentials, you had the talent, you had the skills, you had the personality, you had the charisma, the star quality, whatever it is, right? To gain whatever it is that they didn't want you to have. Now they are realizing that they were sleeping when it came to you. Some of these individuals are realizing that even if they want to unsee it, they cannot unsee the fact that you are a kind, genuine soul. Someone that is not only beautiful outwardly, you're beautiful inwardly. They wanted to tarnish your reputation for some of you. They wanted to believe that you were something that you are not. They wanted to tell themselves why you was not deserving of the blessings. They wanted to snatch things from you that were yours. They wanted to destiny swap. They wanted to strategize and throw you off course. They wanted you to be emotionally unbalanced so that you don't achieve and gain what is so rightly yours, what is already written for you. They wanted to change your destiny. They are now understanding that despite what they may have put you through, or despite what you have gone through, you still have a heart of gold. And it irritates these individuals. They want to cause tower moments in your life. And for some of you, you did actually have tower moments, right? And they were tumultuous, right? But everything that came crashing down was built on faulty ground, okay? And whatever crashed down in your life, they wanted that to destroy you. And they realized that whatever crashed down in your life, you were able to build yourself back up again, but much stronger. You are a powerful force. You are a leader. People look up to you. Some of you are in positions of power, and these positions that you are in, they try to block from you. They didn't want you to be in this role, even though they knew that they couldn't lead in the same way that you lead. They just felt that they should have it better than you. But they were secretly competing with you. They were secretly jealous of you. And they could see your star quality. They could see your charisma. They could see your leadership abilities. But they didn't want it to be you. They wanted you to be at a lower position, lower than them. And for some of you, they can see that you are climbing higher and higher in your career. They can see that you're successful. Some of you are bosses. Some of you are CEOs. Some of you are managers. And you are very well respected in your field. And these individuals, or this person, whoever they are, they wanted you to be someone that is never going to climb the career ladder. And for some of you, bosses, CEOs, managers, whatever the case is, people in high positions look up to you. They respect you. And this is making people very frightened, especially if it's in a case of you wanting to do something in regards to creating your own business, or you are networking with other business owners. It's becoming very real for these people. They're now realizing that other people that are an energetic match to yourself, who are big in the game that, you know, you're in whatever field that is, they're seeing that you are being respected by people who are in the same field as you, but who are in high positions. These people want to collaborate with you. These people want to work with you. And these people are thinking, how? Why him? Why her? Why not? You see, whoever these individuals are getting a wake-up call, and it's not pretty. You are surpassing their expectations, and they're very angry. Your success is actually breaking their heart, because they have tried to block you on so many occasions, and they thought that they succeeded. They wanted to dim your star. They wanted to dim your light. They wanted to hide you, downplay your essence and your energy, swap destinies with you in some cases. They wanted to slow down or potentially block your love life. They forced themselves to be third parties in your connections, because they were fearful that you will connect with a King of Pentacles, someone stable, reliable, and loyal, someone practical. For some of you, they were fearful that you will be in the energies of the King of Pentacles, someone that runs their own business, someone that is established, someone that is well respected, someone that is loyal, dedicated, someone that is a husband, or someone that has a husband in this energy, or a long-term partner in this energy. They didn't want this for you. Even if these people have these things that I just mentioned themselves, they didn't want it for you. They thought that they could convince others that you are a nobody. And their fixation on you proved to them that you are indeed a somebody. Because if you were a nobody, why would they take so much of their time to try and seize opportunities from you, block your blessings, and smear campaign you? For some of you, they see that you are loved. They see that you are the embodiment of love. They wanted you to be isolated and alone. That's how they feel. Their energy is cold. What they were rushing towards